Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove your Ram 1500 grill. First, ensure your truck is parked safely on a level surface with the engine off. Gather essential tools like a ratchet, appropriate sockets, and a trim removal tool. Opening the hood will give you clear access to the upper mounting points. Proper preparation makes the entire removal process much smoother and quicker. Now, let's tackle the upper section of the grill. You'll find several plastic push pins along the top edge. Use your trim removal tool to carefully pry these out without damaging them or the surrounding trim. It's a good idea to keep a small container handy to store all the removed pins and clips. This prevents them from getting lost and makes reinstallation easier. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more DIY content. Quick recommendation: after a messy garage project, keep your space spotless with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It's voice-controlled, self-emptying, and pet-friendly. Check the description below for a link to this awesome product and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. With the top fasteners handled, shift your attention to the lower part of the grill. There are typically a few bolts or screws securing the bottom. Once these are removed, gently pull the grill forward to release any remaining clips. Remember to disconnect any wiring for lights or sensors that might be attached before fully detaching the grill from your Ram 1500.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.